Hey everyone, today we're diving into a detailed look at the 17-inch CCTV monitor from Kokar. This monitor is designed specifically for surveillance applications, boasting a 1280 by 1024 resolution and LED backlighting, ideal for 24/7 operation. It features a classic 4:3 aspect ratio with impressive specs like a 3 milliseconds response time, 500 candelas M2 brightness, and a 700:1 contrast ratio. What stands out about this monitor is its versatility. It's equipped with HDMI, VGA, AV, BNC, and even 3.5mm audio input-output ports, making it compatible with a wide range of devices such as CCTV cameras, DVR systems, PCs, DVD players, and more. Plus, it includes built-in speakers and a USB port with media player functionality, allowing you to directly play videos or movies from a USB drive. The design is sleek and slim, with a durable ABS housing that ensures both functionality and aesthetic appeal. The monitor's viewing angles of 160 degrees horizontally and vertically ensure that you can see clear images from various positions without compromise. In terms of usability, setup is straightforward, and the monitor supports NTSC PAL auto switching, adapting to different video formats seamlessly. Kokar also emphasizes excellent customer service, promising a 2-year warranty with quick resolutions for any issues you might encounter. Overall, if you're looking for a reliable CCTV monitor that combines robust features with ease of use, the Kokar 17-inch model is certainly worth considering. Whether for home security setups, office surveillance, or retail environments, its performance and versatility make it a standout choice in its category.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.